What is Binance Coin? Everything you need to know. Binance is one of the leading centralized cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. Along with launching the exchange in 2017, the team also launched its native cryptocurrency called the Binance Coin, BNB. Although initially, the coin was used as a way for people to get rewards and discounts on transaction fees on the exchange, its purpose later evolved. This happened with the launch of Binance Chain and Binance Smart Chain. Binance Chain was launched in 2019, and Binance Smart Chain, BSC, was launched in 2020. The main difference between the two is their consensus mechanisms and compatibility with EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine. BSC houses numerous dApps of its own while also hosting hundreds of Ethereum projects on its network. With the introduction of BSC, BNB's utility became more versatile and unique. In this article, I'll take you through how the BNB consensus mechanism works, popular dApps on BSC, its benefits, and where you can buy them. Let's jump in. How do BSC and BNB work? Binance Chain was created to be a platform for trading crypto assets. However, it had limitations, such as the lack of smart contracts and compatibility with Ethereum. To solve this, Binance Smart Chain was launched, and this network acted as a full-fledged platform for building dApps and even carrying out cross-chain operations. In fact, the network also had EVM compatibility, which enabled it to host hundreds of Ethereum apps on its chain. This opened up opportunities for Binance Coin, BNB. So how exactly does the consensus mechanism for BSC and BNB work? BSC uses a proof of authority consensus mechanism. POA. It is also known as the Proof of Staked Authority, POSA. Here, instead of staking money or assets, people stake their identity. Potential validator nodes or people submit their real identity, and once the platform allows them, they become validators. The process of validation in itself is simple. First, all the nodes verify the correctness of the transaction, and only then is it added to the chain. Now that you know about the consensus mechanism, let's look at some of the popular dApps present on the network. Top dApps on Binance Smart Chain. Binance is a great competitor of Ethereum, considering it hosts some of the most popular dApps in the industry. A few of those are DeFi, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, and Nerve Finance, NFT, OpenSea, Bakery Swap, and Battle Pets. Gaming, Robot Wars, Mobox, NFT Farmer, and X-World Games. Besides these, numerous other projects are running on the network. A significant reason why so many projects are hosted on the BSC is the Binance Incubation and Launchpad services. They help excellent ideas transform into projects and host them on the BSC. Use cases of BNB. The Binance Coin was initially used on the exchange to give people discounts on transaction fees, pay them with rewards, or was used for a few auxiliary transactions the platform performed, like its bounty program. However, with the launch of the Binance Chain and the Binance Smart Chain, BNB acts as a medium for people to interact with the network. This means transaction fees, rewards on staking, gas fees on NFT marketplaces, and more require the BNB coin. It also acts as a governance token for the holders, who can vote on important decisions on the platform. Benefits of Binance. The transaction fees are very low compared to Ethereum. The network is fast and scalable. Since the BSC is backed by one of the leading exchanges in the world, one can get excellent support from the team while building projects. These are some of the most significant benefits of the Binance Smart Chain. Where to buy BNB? You can buy BNB on the Binance exchange itself. Besides that, you can also get your hands on the asset through exchanges such as Coinbase, Kraken, eToro, and a few others. Conclusion. Overall, Binance is a great investment for anyone who wants to earn in the blockchain space. Whether you're a developer, a gamer, an NFT enthusiast, or a trader, Binance can be valuable to you and can cater to your requirements.